warm welcome to Brussels International Airport. The local time here is coming up to 4:20 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened till the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is